So we want to run Cronbach Alpha, and we have this data set of 3 questions. Let's see how this is done. So what we need to do, we need to go to Analyze, and then to go to Multivariate Methods. And here, in Multivariate Methods, what we need to do, we need to grab the questions we're interested in and drag all of them into the Y column box. And once this is done, we click OK, and we get this. And once we get this, what we need to do, we need to go to Multivariate, and we need to go all the way down to Item Reliability, and then Cronbach Alpha. And then this is what we get. Let's take a look at what we actually got. We have 3 questions, questions 1, 2, and 3. We see that altogether the result is not that good. We get negative 0.3070, which is quite low. And the fact that it is negative, it's not good at all. But we can see that if we remove question 3, we see that we get a pretty good result. So once question 3 would be removed, we see that we get 0.5033, which is still not good enough, but it's better than what we have right now. So we can either pick this option of removing question 3, or we can try to reverse the results, and then we can see if it goes, if it gets more correlated with question 1 and question 2, and then we get ultimately altogether a better result for the whole Cronbach Alpha set. So let's see how we can reverse it. So basically what we need to do, we need to go here, we need to go to Q3 and right click the title, and then go to recode. And we see that the results that we have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We just need to switch them. So that means this would be 10, this would be 9, this would be 8, this would be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And instead of Q3-2, let's call it Q3 reverse, right? And now we do the recoding. And now we want to do the Cronbach Alpha process again. So what we need for that, we need to go again to Analyze, and we need to go to Multivariate Methods, to Multivariate, and then we want to drag all the results apart from Q3 to Y column box. Once we click OK, we get this screen again. And once we go to this red arrow and Item Reliability in Cronbach Alpha, the result that we got is actually much better. It's still not good enough, but we see it's much, much better. We see that if we remove question 1, we can even improve it further. We see we don't want to remove question 2 because the result will decrease from 0.58 to 0.32. And again, and also we don't want to remove question 3 rev because removing it will also reduce the Cronbach Alpha that we have currently. So basically, this is how we can do Cronbach Alpha using JMP. In case we don't remember the whole process and where to look for, we can also go here to this search box, and here we can write down Cronbach Alpha, and we get this directly. So once we get this, we go to the specific screen. We put whatever you want to put. Let's say that we want to put the same thing. Let's remove question 3 for that. Remove it. I'm sorry. Let's do it again. Let's write Cronbach Alpha. We go from here. We put all the questions apart from question 3. We hit OK. And then if we still don't remember what to do, we can use this search box again and write Cronbach Alpha. And we see that we can go directly to that. So if we click Show Me, then we're going to get everything dark apart from item reliability. Once we click item reliability and then Cronbach Alpha, we're going to get exactly the same thing that we got when we knew exactly where to look for. So this is how it's done in JMP.